Hi, my name is Chris from Chris PC World, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a service wash on your washing machine to make sure you get the best results possible and to make sure it doesn't leave your clothes smelling after washing them. On your machine you may notice inside the door seal you're starting to get black spots building up. You may also notice if you pull the door seal back, a brown sludge starting to form inside the machine. Now this machine is quite clean and the door seal is the grey colour that it should be. That's because I do something called maintenance washes. If you start getting sludge building up inside the machine, it will cause it to smell really badly, but this could also transfer onto your clothes and reduce the wash performance. Let's have a look at how to do a maintenance wash. To do a maintenance wash on your machine, choose the cotton cycle. The temperature will default to 40 degrees. You want to press the temperature option button until it goes to the hottest setting, which in my case is 90 degrees. On yours it may be 95 or it may be slightly lower. You'll notice the timer cycle is quite long, but this is classed as a boil wash. You need to run this once a month with nothing in the machine other than specific washing machine cleaning solution to get the best results. This will stop the mould building up inside the door seal, it'll stop the sludge and also stop any smells. Manufacturers recommend doing this once a month from new to increase the life of the machine. Once your maintenance wash is finished, we recommend opening the door, wiping around the seal to remove any debris that has been loosened during the washing cycle, and also wiping any excess water and any other dirt off it. Leave the door open for all the water inside of the machine to dry out, and then this will keep your machine smelling nice and fresh, but also get the best results possible. We recommend wiping around the door seal and leaving the door open after every single cycle is completed to prevent the build-up.